How to make header scroll with site in Wix Studio. To do that, head over and click on your header, then click right here into the actual Open Inspector icon. Click onto this design option, and in here we have the header settings. So as you can see, the scroll effect is right now onto the disappear. So we need to make it scroll with site. Click onto this option and choosing here with this scroll with site option that we can see. Now, once you have chosen that, it should be able to reflect. And in here, you can actually go over it and then added some more designs, media, overlays, layout, padding, and a lot more that you can add it onto your header. But taking this one at the header settings essentially changes how it will respond when you scroll onto their actual page. So that's how you make header scroll with site in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.